How's it going, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Today what we're gonna do is we're going to clean the exhaust pipes on my Motordyne exhaust. They're pretty carbonized, as you can see. The goal is just to make them look better. I'm not really worried about cleaning deep inside, but as long as the outside and the rim is nice and shiny, I'll be good with that. The products that I'll be using to clean the exhaust tips are steel wool and this all metal aluminum metal polish. So we'll see what the results look like after this. I've seen many people clean their exhaust tips different ways, but honestly I just wanted to go a very simple route, so I just went ahead and bought these. But yeah, so let's get to it. So I've actually never seen this product before. I thought it was like a cream, but it's like a cotton, and I believe it's already like mixed in with the products. That is really weird, but okay, I guess we're gonna try it out and see. This is not what I expected. Take the wool now, see if this makes any difference. I'm not trying to scratch the top of my bumper. Gotta be careful. I think this would be a lot better if you get the exhaust off, but I'm not really trying to make it 100% looking perfect. So oh yeah, that circular motion works a lot better. Instead of going up and down, circular motion does wonders. It does wonders. Oh hell yeah. Oh, that looks, now it's working really good. It's all about, size don't matter, it's all about the motion, baby. That was like a horrible analogy, to be honest. It has nothing to do with any of the work that we're doing. We're gonna clean it off with a rag. These are the results after using just one layer or one pass, we should say that. And that was already a major difference compared to this one here. Wow, this product is dope, man. You need this and you need this steel wool, and that's all you need. You don't need degreaser, you don't need any other compound, to be honest with you. That works like magic. So if you guys are wondering which product I'm using, it's called Never Dull from Eagle One. I bought this at AutoZone. But yeah, if you end up finding one, I suggest you pick that up and don't even bother with anything else. You know, that's all you need. We're going to do another pass using Never Dull. We're going to repeat the same process, and then we're going to switch it over to the next exhaust pipe. I actually cleaned pretty deep inside, just in case, you know, actually someone wants to peep my exhaust pipes. You know, they know that I keep my shit clean, boys. Alrighty then, the lighting is not that good right now. The sun's going down, sunset time, but whew, look at the results on that. Damn. Whoa, look at that. It's kind of hard to get the rim there, but I'm not really gonna trip on that, to be honest with you. These are the final results now. Yes, as you can see how I kind of worked that polish kind of deep in those tips. But oh yeah, they look really good compared to before. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the video. Overall, we did accomplish our goal. We made the tip shiny, looking good, looking great actually. So yeah, I have no lessons learned other than it was super easy to clean these exhaust tips. All you needed was steel wool, the never dull metal polisher from Eagle One, and a towel. So that's all you really needed, honestly. You didn't need to dedicate an entire hour for this. Like literally, I took like 20 minutes for this. I will let you guys go. I'll see you guys in my next. I will let you go now, chest to the sun. You guys already know, baby. Stay safe and stay humble and be no. I'll let you guys go. No. Anyways, I will let you go now. If you're enjoying the video so far, if you're enjoying the content I'm putting out so far, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, even hit the notification button. It'll definitely help me reach 1,000 subscribers sooner rather than later. But we're almost there. We're almost at the 1K marker. I honestly never thought I even get near 1,000. So but here we are, almost there. It's chest of the sun. You already know, stay safe, stay humble, and be legendary, baby.